Machita sencokola apha kule channel sencokola apha bafethu. Chiefs new signings in the starting 11. New signings the Kaizer Chiefs we starting 11. Yeah, Chiefs sekunyeni bafethu. Why sekunyeni? Orlando Pirates ne Sundowns beziqinile this season. The next season zizophinda zibophe. So pressure Kaizer Chiefs. Sundowns ibikwenye level this season. Orlando Pirates ibikwenye level this season. Pirates win a double, finish number 2 ya Champions League. So zizophinda ziqinise reinforce izquad zazo. So Chiefs pressure high. Bobby Mutawung no Kaizer Junior nozwane abazuwe holiday yini mabangayi holiday yini majita funeke bakhulula amaqhina bangene officeini ba enze notes ba target ba chase players benze calls to agents ba send emails to clubs because they say pressure high. At the moment Chiefs yenze 2 signings one say semi confirmed but not 100%. Before singene apho sinqokole ngayo yonke le way ba okay Chiefs signings ezintsha zingena njani ki line up entsha. Ya le channel senza le way majita if eqala ukuba le channel le content ungalali khazi cofa subscribe ungalali jo le channel ayifani ezinye channel lapha ku YouTube. Khona indawo ezantsi but subscribe emhlophe cofa power subscribe uzothola i-videos. So yeah, Kaizer Chiefs new signings apha in the starting 11. So Chiefs success so far signed 2 players on pre-contracts. Say confirmed is away. Much time na Churena. A1 confirmed yoqala say confirmed club owner TS Galaxy ba key player given Msimango captain wakhe center back ya Kaizer Chiefs, so confirmed the way. Second player is SuperSport United, also vice captain is SuperSport, center back Ulanuza Thatayaone Ditlhokwe, captain of Botswana na 24 umjita kabanga left center back ya Kaizer Chiefs. Confirmed low way SuperSport United Kevin Hunt plus the SuperSport chairman Stan Matthews. Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs, those 2 new players says he confirmed ke ngoku. And then any player ngabe go 100% confirmed ngumduduzi Shabala umduduzi Mtatsane we Cape Town City. Kuri rumors is unconfirmed ba okay mjita usayine Kaizer Chiefs next season. So yeah, so far okay mdu usayine Chiefs mara ke 100% confirmed. And then mna antani uthetha ngewe ngabe 100% confirmed yabo. So mdu say question mark. So akekho le starting lineup zasenza ngoku apha se new signings until abe 100% confirmed, either Cape Town City okanye Kaizer Chiefs okanye agent yakhe. That is a confirmed signing. Confirmed signing a confirmed buying team okanye selling team okanye agent okanye player himself. So yeah, Chiefs so far they've only signed Ditlhokwe no Msimango. Masijonge ke Kaizer Chiefs izo line up kanjani. Iwaskizwa vethu izikuta. Jonge Chiefs by izo sign up izo how are they going to line up with the new signings, and why do we in the confirm okay signings zoqala? Say modern football chintshile ngoku. Back in the days like football signing ibithatha isikhathi for okay my introduce you line up, my introduce you team because kuthiwa okay kufuneka amajita alanuze abe they get used to environment team is into the new environment, get used to the conditions, how the team plays. But lo echinjile ngoku modern football ngoku players ngoku yasana and then they say start straight up line up yabo, because research ne data izinto ze team ichinjile ngoku, you understand. Information out there, players theirs before they go to a new team but then the research about team idlala njani, so players ziba ready quicker ngoku for uba maziye ku new team, especially as ngoku Kaizer Chiefs isayineleyo. Players so PSL badlala PSL is so ziyazi Kaizer Chiefs, ziyazi culture Kaizer Chiefs, ziyazi culture Johannesburg, ziyazi culture Gauteng, ziyazi Kaizer Chiefs idlala njani, you understand. So much that was need isikhathi esininzi for uba mabe adapt to a new country or a new league. Bona much that was straight up to line up. Enye into imarket ichintshile ngoku in terms of away costs, like say players zi more expensive ngoku. Okay, Msimango zo 2 players free deals because amachita bephelo zi-contract asane pre-contracts signwe from SuperSport like-TS Galaxy on pre-deals amachita i-contracts zabo eziphela kwezi team so benze free deals Kaizer Chiefs yabo so Chiefs kane bhatale transfer fees but ke that means bakuse i-salaries zamachita zi-high plus ne-signing on fee for bana bangazi signing on fee bayintoni signing on fee say yisithongo senyuko sitholayo awusane i-team entsha like for uba okay izokunceda for uba okay mawufumane indawo entsha yohlala maybe mawuthenga i-transfer entsha babungena transi nje i-motivation man yabo it's almost like i-bonus but except i-bonus yokuqalayo before signing contract i-motivation yabo layo kuthiwa i-signing on fee leyo nje imali yokunceda from usetlishe let's say example if like uzopaya like 300,000 kwenye 400,000 i-signing on fee yakho might be like 2 million yabo nje uthole yona and then ke ngoqaphinda wapaya kuse uzothola salary yakho every month yabo so say modern football plus transfer deals ngoku is expensive these days so it's another reason for uba say i-players xa zifika etimini mazingene same time zidlale understand xa ujongile futhi ilawe new signings ngoku ziba ne-value ehigh sebona wenzeke into Pirates like Sundowns most player bezi-best players Pirates ne-Sundowns bizi-new signings especially Orlando Pirates bafika phaa ibambe idouble Pirates befika u-goalkeeper Sipho Chayine center backs ulawe unkosinathi Sibisi noThapelo Qoki i-newcomers central midfield Miguel Tim undaba ithethwa Ndlondlo new signings amachita afikayo lawa and then sayabona uba benze ntoni ku-team so new signings balulekile for mazingene straight up to the lineup like Sundowns kusebeni new signings edlala i-grand le season if yabona uGrant Kekana big player performance wembu improve Sundowns goalkeeper bilawe play of the season contender goalkeeper uRonan Williams new signing uBathuli lamshita waselawi wase-North Africa ungasiphi Algeria kanye Morocco yase center back umshito okay ibene injury most of the season and then kuse wafika late season bonakala indawo yakhe performance wimpu umjita ubana baSundowns befikile Alende was like big performer le season yafika le season Sundowns central midfielder understand so new signings then a big value and except niggas start at the same time ngikujule ke deep end safika understand and yeah kuse new signings xa sifika etimini zivusa i-team like bona se khona lamajita compete nazo for i-positions so ubona xa kufika omnye umuntu uqombe kuse you are jo fanele bophe yabo niqinise nyanyana bakisele kaka ethola i-position yami le so ndoni kufanele idlale nyanyana ufuna bakisejonga news ilawe iskelemu kuze kuse ikaka ifikile ethola i-position yami le and it plays the Chiefs ayazi lo way seziyazi bakisejonga uyeza Msimango uyeza ulawe Ditlhokwe senozo nomdantsane so machita ngoku le pre-season awazulahla umuntu kuse okay relaxile but kuse uzogym uzoba fast kuze kusejonga motivated and unehunger energy for kuse position yakhe izothathwa so new signings zayinceda i-team yabo so yeah Kaizer Chiefs line up yayo ke ngoku wasijonge ngoku uzoba njani with the new signings assuming kanye expecting by new signings zongena straight up to the lineup okay gloves sizes ka Kaloweka Peterson right back Riff Flosla center new signings given Msimango no Thatayaone Ditlhokwe left Masiti new signing last season is a mover to the left ngoku izocompete nolawe noHlanti izonika uHlanti ilawe ngumshito uzofumana chance mawukhe my left nje prediction le nabona andithi ba okay Edmilson Dave ngoku uzoyeka udlala center but nje just for bone interest masithi Edmilson Dave ngoku left back ngoku so is about back for the Chiefs leyo go Frostla new signings Ditlhokwe plus nolawe Msimango Ditlhokwe ngala is left foot so is about left centered center back left footed center back and then you say left back is about riding Edmilson Dave esenda ayizuchinja isenda sekhona uriding but Chiefs are signings ba just watch the space bendithile ngamajita engathi azoya ke-Chiefs okanye i-Chiefs ukuze wasayine ungajonga apha ke-channel khona ii-videos bendizenzile apha last week about i-players i-Chiefs funeka isayinile central midfield. But anyways, for now, line up center number 6 izaba nguSiyathemba Sithebe, suppose ba improve manje next season Kaizer Chiefs. At least ngoku ubona acclimatizile, adaptile. Itango wakhe number 8 uYusuf Mat. And then ama-sidini kuba kho ulawe uDylan Solomons ngala right wing ngokuDylan Solomons. Izaba nguye pha right, and then say left kube nguAshley Dupree. And then ke ngoku number 10 izaba nguMduduzi Shabalala. Asiyazi ba ke thini future ka Kick Ntoli. No Kick Ntoli man ukama Billiard ayikabi confirmed ba okay uBilliard usana contract okanye izikhipani. So number 10 so uMduduzi Shabalala, and he was one of the best players Kaizer Chiefs this season. Fan favorite umchana. So yeah, senguye ngoyibest number 10 Kaizer Chiefs. Asiyazi uDolu uzobuya nini from injury. So number 10 nguMdu Shabalala. Boza player so umchana. I'm a big fan. Inenge ngo center forward, center striker izaba nguChristian Sahile, another new signing from last season. So yeah, it's a lineup at Chiefs ngoku as it stands. Before new signings zifike ezinye. Based on ezi2 says confirmed lineup at Chiefs bona izaba ngelo hlobo. Palini, gloves, this guy Aiden, Peterson, then right back, Ref Rosler, left back, Edmondson Dav was a mover, and then left-footed centre back, Thatayaone, Ditlhokwe, tango wakhe ugiven Msimango, emqeni izoba nguSithebe noMat, right wing, Dylan Solomons, left, bengu Ashley Dupree, number 10 ngumdu, and then centre forward Christian Sahile. Inamachita itini yenu i-lineup ye-Chiefs in terms of the new signings. Do you think machita kwazi uqala ngoku okanye wadeserve uya straight to lineup? Manqala lapha i-comments machita, masinqola lapha i-comments since lo uya pha kule channel. Ayiyo channel leba okay vele sidlula izinto nje ningazaziyo apha kuni, information ayikho confirmed, thethe ngoyingazaziyo. Apha sinqola siyabonisana nje singamajita yabo. So machina nini bona njani le win cinga ntoni lineup at Chiefs with new signings, and zeziphi players the Chiefs eshota ngazo kufuneka isayinile for next season. Otherwise if eqala udibana le channel ungalali Joe, fana la majita alandelele le channel. Khona indawo ezantsi bhala subscribe apha ezantsi, khona indawo emhlophe bhala subscribe, ungacofa pha subscribe uzothola videos channel le grand. Mwatsho bafethu.